Before, how to clean a mobile phone camera. It needs to be disassembled and cleaned, which is very troublesome. Now, a new tech has come now. Today, I'm sharing a cutting-edge technology for repairing phone cameras, cleaning watermarks without disassembly. This iPhone 14 Pro S back camera has a watermark. Remove the camera. Pour the liquid into an ultrasonic cleaning device. Ensure the liquid covers the height of the camera, using a single frequency setting of 30 or 50. Submerge the camera head vertically and gently slide it back and forth. Light marks can be cleared in about 10 seconds. Deeper marks may take up to 20 seconds. After cleaning, place the camera vertically on the triad. Let it sit for 3 minutes to allow the cleaning solution to evaporate completely. Reinstall the camera. The watermark is completely cleaned.